Every great manufacturer has a rhythm. A rhythm where engineering, production, supply chains, and decisions move as one. Demand shifts faster. Customization is the norm. Supply chains fluctuate. Data multiplies faster than decisions. And when that rhythm is disrupted, performance follows. Engineering continues to innovate. Manufacturing keeps producing. Supply chains keep adapting. Enterprise systems coordinate. Sales and service depend on them all. But not always together. That's where momentum is lost. HTC Global Services brings everything back into sync. We connect every stage of the value chain from engineering to connected operations. Bringing together smart manufacturing, Industry 4.0, digital twins, enterprise platforms, and supply chain intelligence. Transforming data into decisions, one connected operation built for resilience, precision, and scale. Powered by HTC MAiGE, intelligence flows across every stage of the manufacturing value chain. Predicting disruptions, optimizing operations, modernizing the digital core. Keeping applications, infrastructure, and operations continuously evolving without interrupting the rhythm of the business. Manufacturing never stops. Neither should the technology behind it. That's why manufacturers around the world trust HTC Global Services to keep manufacturing in rhythm.